So in lieu of going and buying a whole nother pallet of, oh geez, dirt, I found some on Marketplace. It's not the best dirt, but you know what? It's gonna be better than we have here, which is nothing. We have rock everywhere. So I've gotta start topping off all the buckets with what is in here. And hope it grows. So I'm going to add this first, and then I'm going to go in with a better topsoil and amendment, just to give it a little bit of extra. I don't know, this garden, it may fail this year. It sucks. Like, part of me wants to throw in the towel already and be like, screw it, I'll do it next year. The other part of me is like, well, some crop is better than no crop, right? But all right, I guess back to work.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. A glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map. I'll let you know when we've arrived. Yeah, we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. Just say yes, choose to do whatever comes next. So just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all, this or that. Getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight, this or that.
And now it's just wash, rinse, repeat. So I'm not gonna put y'all through that. As you see, I've got my lovely cousin Gail helping here. She came to help Swami, and she's gonna stick around and help us.
Well, hi. All right, well, back to finishing up these beds. I went and got some cutoffs from the mill. We kind of ran out of this 1x that we were willing to use, and we came up with a different plan. Even though the metal lining is probably going to last longer, we don't really want to use up all that metal. So I do have one piece that I may use, I don't know, but I'm going to take these cutoffs, got a little bit more to finish on the outsides, and then the gaps, I'll take some of these cutoffs that are wide enough and screw them to the inside, and well, it should keep all the dirt out. I don't know. Let's see if it works.
Left the big city for the simple country life. Found myself a woman that it took for me to be my wife. I was working on the ground, come the sun up to sundown. Hey, I'm trying to make a reputation for a man inside this town. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kind of leaving me. She kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me. I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me. I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, no George Jones and Gary Sturt, all them young guns, yeah, they've been through. Tell you one thing that you won't believe, one ain't nothing but a thing a cigarette or a line of cocaine on a private jet. I get good loving like they won't forget. Baby, good Lord knows what time it is. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kind of leaving me. She kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me. I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me. I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. I'm a honky-tonk star. Lord, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me. I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star.
Well, that's 3. And I went over to the build site. We want to put the main house on eventually, and was like, why don't we just scrape some? Because I don't know if we talked about it. Maybe Mama did. She probably did. About we went and bought a load of dirt, and then she's got to sift it. But we did the logs down in the bottom, and then did this soil I scraped off over there, and then we'll amend it with all the goodies. But this has been the best looking soil we found on the property. So I guess at least we're digging it out, because then the house would just cover it so we get used. So I'm gonna go see if I can work up some more of that though, because, well, there's a whole lot of buckets that need filled yet.
I'm making a little headway.
Oh, Mama says that she's making big mud balls into small rocks.
I've got the 1 bed full. I've got all of these tubs filled. That one filled. That one filled.
All right, so that bed is done and ready. This bed is, well, you just need fertilizer in that, or is that ready?
Yeah, I need to amend it yet, but
Okay.
that's good.
And then started with these totes. Yeah, I'm thinking at some point the totes have to quit losing dirt. Like
it's beautiful dirt at the bottom.
yeah, I would think that it's come out, it's just compacting. So I don't know at what point we have to stop filling them, but on a good note, she's managed to get this big crevice filled with stone out of, she's not quite halfway yet. She's getting there.